Alright, you guys, so this is about an hour later. I find that the golden paints are so reflective when they're wet, much more than the other brands. It's crazy, and I love it this way. Try to not look around at the horrible mess. There, you can see me in it. It's super interesting. Not really any need to go super close into the details. I think we've all seen this before. What's interesting is going to be how it dries. Now I want to show you guys one that I did about 3 weeks ago using the golden paints, and I mean, check out how it cracked. You can see right down to the canvas. It's crazy. And I didn't know at all that that would happen, given that the GAC800 helps prevent crazing. But I'm guessing at this point, that doesn't change anything. There was a ton of paint left on that canvas. And with the temperatures, of course, mix of both. It's crazy. They look like scars. I call this one Tampered Serenity. I just love it. But I mean, those cracks are huge. Never seen before for me. So how will this one dry? Now, these are the colors that I used. Oof. There we go. And I used the Liquitex pouring medium and GAC800. Alright, stay tuned for the dried result. So I'm back with the dried result, and it looks awesome. No cracking happened, but there is a little tad of weirdness right there. See here? But that's it. It dried smooth, probably because I poured a lot of the paint off the canvas, so it was thin on there. I am loving these colors, you guys. Check it out. The gold is so cool. And I like how there's no rings in this area here. So there's like 2 blanks of negative space near each other. And it feels good on my eyes to have a painting without cells. God, I love the golden paints. This is not varnished. And check out how it reflects because of the pouring medium. I will still varnish it though, in case you're wondering. All right, hope you guys like this. Have a good one.